To use the SDK for Uniswap Factory, start by understanding the basics of Uniswap and the role of a factory in the protocol. Uniswap is a decentralized exchange protocol that enables users to trade cryptocurrencies in a trustless and permissionless manner. The Uniswap Factory is a smart contract that creates new liquidity pools for trading pairs. First, install the Uniswap SDK in your project using npm or yarn by running the command to install the required package. This will provide you with the necessary tools to interact with the Uniswap protocol. Next, import the Uniswap SDK into your project and set up a new instance of the Uniswap Factory. This will allow you to create new liquidity pools and manage existing ones. To create a new liquidity pool, call the Create Exchange function on the Factory instance, passing in the address of the token you want to trade. This will deploy a new liquidity pool contract and return the address of the newly created pool. After creating a new pool, you can add liquidity to it by calling the Add Liquidity function on the pool instance. This will require you to approve the pool to spend your tokens and then call the Add Liquidity function with the amount of tokens you want to add. To trade on Uniswap, use the getAmountToSwap function to calculate the amount of tokens you will receive for a given input amount. Then call the swap function on the pool instance to execute the trade. Best practices for using the Uniswap SDK include handling errors and exceptions properly, using secure and up-to-date dependencies, and testing your code thoroughly before deploying it to production. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively use the SDK for Uniswap Factory to create new liquidity pools, add liquidity, and trade on the Uniswap protocol.